Dragon Boat Festival is one of the most important summer festivals in China. On this day, people usually make herb sachet. The sachet is made of Chinese herb, which can repel mosquitoes and is used as decoration. Today, let's make a lovely sachet together. The materials we need are wormwood herb, or any other herb you may like to use, a needle, thread, cloth, scissors, red string, and tassel decoration. First, take 2 strands to thread the needle, tie a knot at the end, and trim off the excess. Then, you need to cut out 2 square pieces of cloth. By the way, both parts of the material must be the same size. Then use the red thread and make a Chinese knot. Next, place the knotted red thread and the Chinese knot between the 2 pieces of the cloth, where we will sew them. Now we can start sewing. Please pay attention to your hands. We need to sew 3 of the 4 sides together. Okay, now we can flip it out. You will get an hourglass. Please put the wormwood herb into it. In the final step, we must seal it in the other direction. It will be a cute triangle shape like a zongzi, a type of Chinese dumpling. Remember to decorate it. We wish you a happy Dragon Boat Festival. Thanks for watching.